guys, my name is Tatyana and welcome back to my channel. And jumping right into the eye look, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige just to prime my eyes, and it's a really nice color. It's not too light and it's not too dark, and it creates an amazing base for my eyeshadow. I will also be setting this concealer with my Airspun translucent powder, and now I'm taking my Morphe 35B palette. And I'm going to take that super hot pink shade and take that on a small brush and kind of line out my crease like so. And excuse my nasty voice, guys, I am sick. I've been sick like this whole year. It's honestly ridiculous. So after I line out my eyes, I'm just going to take my favorite blending brush from Wet n Wild, and I am going to be blending the pink shadow, and I'm going to grab some more pink shadow, help blend that even more, and yeah. And now I'm taking the same Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to take this purple shade and work that deep into my crease. So this goes in lower than the pink shade, and we're just going to blend this into one and make it look really, really good. This is by far one of my favorite looks I've ever created, and I'm just so happy with how it came out. I made this look a while ago, and I'm barely posting it for whatever reason. I'm a weirdo, but yeah, just keep on blending that purple eyeshadow into your crease. So now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand, and this is what I'm using to cut my crease. And I'm just using the wand because it's an amazing wand for cutting a crease. And then, you know, just cleaning it up with a small detail brush. But yeah, I'm going to cut the whole lid, cut the crease on the whole lid. So yeah. And I just blended out the edges a bit so it doesn't look that crazy. And I also blended deeper in the crease as well. So now I'm going to be taking this white shade, and I'm going to set that concealer and kind of create even a lighter base because we're about to add some color to the lid. And I will be taking this orange shade from the same Morphe 35B palette, and this will be the outside color. So you just want to apply that on like half of the lid and blend that in with the other colors. We'll blend like the outside in with the purple, if you know what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to take this yellow shade, and this is going to be the inner color, and I made sure that was really, really pigmented and really, really blended in with the orange, so it just looked amazing and bright. So I just put on these false lashes and finish it off with the wing and skimming the face, because I always do. I'm just sweeping these colors under my eye. So this is the pink and the purple shade, and in the inner corner I'm just applying this super pigmented shimmery color from my Morphe 35R palette. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave in the comments below what you'd like to see next. And yeah, guys, I love you all, and goodbye.